folks, welcome back to Pallet Kings. 2-box mystery set. It was $260. We're gonna see what we got today. Here we go. Safety first.
Safety third.
And maybe not. There we go.
Did you already finish your tequila?
Tequila.
No, not yet. No. I got a good head start on it.
It hasn't opened yet.
Oh, there we go. Oh, yep, watch out for the beer. Got this fantastic beer.
That's an interesting look from here so
All
far.
right, first glance. Oh, there's some decent stuff. Start off at the top here. Got some
Catheters.
Amazon warehouse.
They might be.
Now they
Catheter
have like
tubing.
iPhone charger cords here.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Got a bunch of them.
If you, oh wait, let's see. Let's open these up.
Are they still packaged?
Oh yeah, yeah, they're sealed.
They're sealed, but they're in the.
Yeah, I think
the
they got
Amazon
warehouse packaging.
Yeah, they're in the FDA packaging. So, which you will not get signed from our store. Looks like a.
Is that a 3-packer or?
Actually, these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-pack of lightning charger cables.
Nice. Alright. What we got in here? Ooh! Got some Panasonic multi-flex microphone. And headphones.
Kids love it.
Perfect for all your gaming needs, folks.
Yeah, Panasonic, yeah, naming gaming.
That goes well with your Atari 2600.
Yeah, that's about right.
That's about as analog as it gets.
Loving that maple.
Maple is good.
The maple is.
Actually, this is a telephone headset, actually.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, I kind of looked through the tears because of this violent return.
Yeah.
Actually, here it says Cascade Telephonique headset.
Oh, nice.
So, Cascade.
Looks like Cascade.
It's a KW Mobile. Picture. No, maybe a tablet cover.
Yeah, maybe it's probably some kind of Kindle or
Yeah.
Nook tablet cover.
Still
Oh, it's
sealed?
It's open.
Oh, is it open?
It's hermetically sealed. And a little bit bent. However,
Oh, it's a notebook.
Yeah.
Oh, it's for a...
oh,
Like
yeah.
a small tablet.
Yeah, actually, it is a small tablet. Does the iPad mini have
Oh,
it?
it's a case is broken up.
Chewed on.
Trash. Might fit my iPad. One man's trash, let me tell you.
Got some binders. Woo! Everybody needs a binder.
By the way, it's supposed to be a technology
A little bit chewed up.
blind box here.
Oh, there's a technology blind box. Well,
Yeah.
glad we got a binder with it.
Yeah, it's a good thing it's one of them standard 3-ring ones.
Yeah. Keep all your important information in it.
There we go. And we'll file this.
Got some miscellaneous.
Pretty sure it's spiders. It's a bag of spiders.
Wing nuts. Thermoplastic wing nuts.
Oh, we need those.
Yeah.
Sure, we're gonna need those.
Yeah. Use them to hold the camera mount together.
By the way, don't mind us. We're in a little bit of flash flood going on right now.
Yeah. Las Vegas, the one time it rains, and we're out here, buddy. Making it happen. One box at a time.
Good for that also.
All right, moving on.
Ooh, what is that?
We're gonna coax with it. I'm guessing.
Price, some kind of modem.
Yeah.
Hopefully a 3.1. You can move it through.
Yeah.
Let's get in here. Let's find out what we got in the bubble wrap.
What's in the wrap?
Actually, this is probably the best I've seen anybody return something.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's actually nicely bubble wrap. Protect the item. There we go. Oh!
I'm gonna guess
Oh.
it's a Netgear.
Oh.
Ah, do I even need to open it then?
No, it doesn't say model on there.
Okay.
You always your
They
teeth.
really take this up good. I'll give
Yes,
them
I
that.
never know well.
I thought I packed well.
Oh,
Oh,
it's
look at that.
a nice one.
Maybe it's an extender, Wi-Fi range extender.
You know what would really be nice? One of those night wings.
Yeah.
Looks like the bat plane. Put it out there. Oh, they really wrap this good. Yeah, look at that. Oh, it is nice. That's a nice one.
Oh. That's the same exact
It
one.
is a
that's-
Nighthawk, yeah.
Same exact one that's sitting in my house right now.
Yeah. Netgear
The
Nighthawk.
Earlogs? So it's a good one, huh?
AC 1750 smart Wi-Fi.
Just test that bad boy out.
Heck yeah.
Make it available.
This is great.
That is nice. Yeah. They wrapped it actually really, really well. Bravo to whoever wrapped that up.
Yeah, thank you for caring. I mean,
Yeah.
come on, folks. We need to make
That's how you wrap up a return.
we need to make this stuff available for you in one piece.
Alright. I don't even know where to go next. Let's go with the little guys here. Got a little selfie stick with a tripod.
Guessing Gary's been keeping that one.
Selfie stick. No, I actually got one upstairs.
No, okay.
Ooh, a P-Touch.
Oh, B-Touch.
Brother labeler.
Look at Mike. He's like, hey.
Mike likes to
Label.
label things.
I do have a collection of those.
He is known as the label master.
I am the most unorganized. For somebody who owns a whole bunch of these, I am the most unorganized person
Are they
ever.
worth anything?
Some of them are. This
Yeah.
one, you know, let me look this one up. Let's see what this one is. It's actually,
Okay.
what do we got here? It's a P-Touch. Of course, they put the model on the back. And it's covered in something.
No, the PTD
210.
210.
Who's the Nighthawk?
Nighthawk. Netgear.
What model is it?
The 1750. You want the actual model? Is the R670 version 3.
Well, considering somebody has a pallet for sale at $19.99,
Oh, geez. Oh, there you go.
yeah, get this tested.
Somebody can always use one of those.
It's like the lowest open, you know, out of the box Nighthawk is about $30.
Got another
Is that a fire safe?
safe. Yeah.
Walk them out tequila.
Feel the tequila. Maybe it'll be stuff inside of it.
Ooh, that would be fantastic.
Let's
Gold
go.
bars.
Let's go Jared on Storage Wars and just
Oh, there you
throw
go.
it on the ground.
I hear the key.
Is it inside?
It is inside.
That is a beefy box.
Definitely a fire safe there.
Yeah.
So it's plastic outside.
Yeah, it's plastic. It's like hard plastic. Yep. Century safe. With the keys in it.
Huh.
It says fire resistant chest
Huh.
and files.
Way a little off the electronics.
Yeah. I'm gonna kick your foot back there and turn the light back on there.
It's kind of like one of the guys. It's kind of like one of the guys we follow when they get electronics and it has actually clothing.
It's kind of heavy.
It's pretty deep.
Yeah, it's probably fireproof though. Or fire resistant.
Fire resistant plastic.
Yeah,
I don't know how we got to fire resistant plastic, but bravo.
Let's get some good stuff.
Yeah.
Wow. HEPA filter?
HEPA filter, yes.
Well, he's got allergies, so that's on him.
It's actually in here, good. Somebody opened it, looked at it, and said, that ain't gonna fit my stuff, and sent it right back. You know what that'll help eliminate? Captures up to 99.97 of airborne allergies.
That's compatible
As
with
small as 0.03 microns.
You're gonna need the Conway air purifier for that though.
Yeah.
What do I got? I got the,
But it will filter out all your viruses.
Those were 20 bucks, so.
I got the crazy,
Not proven.
There's better stuff that's over 20 bucks, huh?
Alright.
Oh, some good?
No.
Absolutely not. Oh, a toner cartridge.
Toner cartridge that has been returned.
Yeah.
How much you want to bet when I open this? It's in you.
and off-brand.
Yeah, definitely on brand. Don't cut yourself.
Will do. Let's cut it. Wow. They taped it back up so you can't actually get into it. To see that it's a bad toner.
There's a 15%er.
Remember, folks, always cut towards your buddy.
Always cut towards the brand.
Brands.
Oh, you know what? I was right. They are actually open. Yeah. Can't get it back out. But they don't even look like they belong in this box. Is it open? Not on that end.
We don't know what they're actually for.
Not open?
Alright guys, if you're watching this, and we may even take a snippet of this, we'll open it up and verify the part number.
So one of the two are open. Compatible for the 26X CF 226X.
Lord knows we left toner.
Oh yeah. Well, they pulled the
Look at HP cartridge.
HP. That's a high capacity. What's looking?
yeah, they did good. All right. I have been wrong before, folks. Time or two. Time or two.
Box it.
And wow, it is really,
It'll really come down on her, yeah.
It is coming down like cats and dogs. Raining cats and dogs. Oh, we got some more Instafilm in here. It looks like. Mini Instafilm, unopened.
For the kids.
Heck yeah. For all your Fuji Instafilm days.
Get your deal on this. Some kind of deal we're gonna get you guys. You're gonna have to find out till later, because there's always.
You're covering up stuff.
Yeah. What else we got here? We got
Hasn't expired yet though, September 2021, so that's still good.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
we got a finger cock.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. Good over here.
We can just put it right there. There. There you go. It's on the.
Well, that doesn't do it. It's symptom.
No, it's there. That. Yeah. The laser. A laser.
There should be a thing on the wall, no?
No,
Yeah, that's not.
it's a laser.
That's for keeping the door from pushing.
No.
No? Nope. Oh, that's weird.
My door will crush you.
Can you remove that safety feature?
Yeah.
Call it the guillotine.
Oh, here, there's like another little case
Where's the
for
good stuff?
a mini, I don't know. I don't even know what that would fit. How small that is.
What use it for your diary?
Phone. Your phone.
The new tablet.
It's the brand new phablet Samsung S8.
Let me open this. Has the overlapping. This has the FDA overlapping, so let's see if they give us food.
What it fits. Okay, a little mini.
In Finland. to make it sound like inland.
Ooh. Actually, looks kind of cool.
You're not getting 50% discount.
You're getting more.
There's no telling.
No, I don't know. That's a small little tablet, though.
I think mine's bigger.
Oh yeah.
The mini, I got the mini, the mini.
My iPhone's pretty much that size.
One more out of this box. Hopefully the next box is better.
Nope. Another toner, brother.
Staples, we're going to see you soon. We gotta be responsible to the,
Brand new in box. So
no,
there you go.
box, no.
It's over.
Oh, is it open? Oh yeah. Nope.
Well, thank you for putting the guard back on it. That was,
That is a big skin nowadays.
Yeah. Yep. Getting toner, putting it back in and sending it back.
I can't do that. I mean,
Very dishonest. But happens a lot.
Alright, that's it for
All
box
right,
one.
that's box number
I
one.
don't think we're breaking even on that one yet. Hopefully the next box is better.
Yeah.